enjoying your life, and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. On this channel, we just talk about France because France at present is one of the best countries in the world to stay here, to study here and to work here, and also how you can forget the French language because it is absolutely necessary to learn because it can help you to become citizen of any French speaking country. So you always think about France and French language. And in today's video, I will be revealing the biggest immigration law which France has introduced. And with this immigration law, it is absolutely easy for foreign workers to come to France. So in this video, I will be explaining you everything about the whole process. What is this new immigration law? What new visa they have launched? And also what are the benefits? And after watching this video, I will surely guarantee you that you will be inspired and you will surely think that now you have to come to France. So watch this video till the end and then you will understand everything. So now, without wasting further time, let's get started. So now I will explain you everything about this new immigration law. So what France has done is that France at present is suffering from a big problem, and that problem is labor shortages. That means France at present has so many jobs, but they don't find the skilled workers to fulfill all these jobs, and that's why France is so worried. And now France has come with one solution, and this solution is all about the new immigration law change which France has introduced. To keep in mind, all the foreign workers can come to France. So let me make it very short and simple for you to understand. France has introduced a new visa which is called talent passport. Talent passport is a shortcut for all the foreign workers to come to France because France is welcoming everybody who wants to come to France, to help France to grow and to help the companies in France, to work efficiently, and also they can make money so that everybody will be having, win-win situation. So in short, France has introduced this new immigration law, and with this law, France has launched one new visa that's called talent passport, and with the help of this passport, you can come to France very easily. So now further I will explain you everything, so keep in mind. And now let me explain you what are the basic requirements to get this France talent passport easily. So the first requirement is all about education. So France has made a rule that if you have done your bachelor degree of 3 years or 4 years, you become eligible. And the second thing, for example, if you have not done education but you have work experience, whatever field you can have, but if you think that you don't have education but you have a 5 years of work experience, then again you become eligible. So in short, you have to have either one thing. Either you should have education or maybe work experience. So let's take an example. If you have an education of 3 years, 4 years, so you are eligible. But if you don't have a work experience, it's absolutely fine because freshers are also welcome. But in case if you don't meet this requirement, so you need to make sure that you have at least 5 years of work experience regardless of any profession you have, but make sure you have 5 years experience. And this is the requirement to get this talent passport. Now let me tell you the second requirement. So you need to have a job contract of at least 3 months duration, because this 3 months duration will allow you to come to France and then you can extend your visa. So the second requirement is that you must have a job contract which has at least 3 months duration so that you can enter in France. So these are the two basic requirements. If you meet these requirements, then you can easily grab this talent passport. So keep in mind. And now let me tell you the biggest benefits of this France talent passport. So the first big benefit is that you don't need to have a French language expertise or proficiency. So simply that means if you speak English language, then you're eligible because France is not asking you to provide any French language certificate or proficiency certificate that you can speak French, you can write French. So France doesn't have this requirement. So this is something very good, that this big benefit, because I know that foreign workers wants to come to France, but when they think about France, they always think that they need to learn the French language, but this is not the case right now. So this is the big benefit. Without French language, you can get this visa. So keep in mind. And now let me tell you the second big benefit which you get with this talent passport, and that is if you are a married person, if you have a spouse, husband or wife, or you have a child, so you can bring your whole family. That means if you are applying this visa, talent passport, that means you can also apply your spouse visa, your child visa, so you all can come together in France and you can stay there in France together for your whole life. So I think this is the biggest benefit you can have, so keep in mind. And the next big benefit is that your spouse, husband or wife, can work full-time in France. That means your one spouse, husband or wife, will be having a work contract, so that means he or she can work. But if you come with your spouse, husband or wife, then you also have the right to work in France. So automatically you get the right to work once you come with your spouse. So that is very good thing, like you both, husband and wife, can work together and you can earn money and you can settle down here, and this will be very good for you because now you can live peacefully and you can make money and you can fulfill all your future goals. So this is the big benefit you can have, so keep in mind. And now let me tell you the biggest thing which you have to keep in mind is duration. So France talent passport will be given initially for 4 years, and this is the big time. And in case once your visa will be expired, this talent passport will be expiring, so before that also you can renew it. So this is something very good, that first time you will get this 4 years talent passport visa, and before expiring you can also renew this as per your situation in future. So this is something very good, that you get this 4 years France talent passport. So this is something very good, so keep in mind. So now I hope I have explained you everything, and one thing I want to add in the last, that France is desperately looking for foreign workers because they have so many jobs. So it is your time, because they have job vacancy in almost all the fields, like manufacturing, they have hospitality, hotel industry, and also we have nurses, doctors, and business fields, transport. So there are a lot of fields where they need foreign workers. So I think this is your best chance to get this visa, come to France, and then you can have a beautiful future. And so just keep in mind, so apply this visa. And if you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that I can feel motivated, and I will keep making new videos, new updates I will bring for you. So thank you so much for your precious time. Best